Welcome back. You're watching ED Insight. Bollywood's marketing and promotions game is getting bigger by the day. Movie makers are roping in marketers to sell their movies, and film stars are hiring professionals to manage their image and market them as brands. Lakshmi Subramanian gets you a sneak peek into the world of Bollywood publicists.
बालों के इस नए अंदाज के लिए जरूरी है टिप्स तक खले बाल.
Ensuring that Priyanka Chopra keeps her style quotient in order is her publicist Natasha Pal. 2.5 years ago, Pal quit her PR job and started her own PR company, Whitcomb. The company had a big bang opening with Priyanka Chopra as its first client. Chopra was a prize catch because she had big films like Dostana,
आई हो जी नहीं, सुपर मॉडल.
Fashion and Kamine in her kitty.
मैं होम साइंस की टॉपर.
लगता है मैं तुम्हें 2 महीने से नहीं 2 जन्मों से जानता हूँ.
And here's what Pal does for the actor.
Overlooking and overseeing synergies in which you can, where you're looking at how each activity that she has an overall impact on her image. So you get involved in all of those aspects. So whether it's a brand endorsement, how does that brand add value to her, and therefore how do you publicize the fact that she's an ambassador? How do you enhance her role as a brand ambassador for a particular brand? And similarly with films, and how if a film is releasing, what you need to do to kind of, bring the news out that film is out, etc.
Priyanka Chopra is not the only one who has hired a publicist.
ये जगह ही कुछ ऐसी है, कब क्या बदल जाए पता ही नहीं चलता.
Some of the prominent actors who've done the same are Aishwarya and Abhishek Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, Aamir Khan, Shilpa Shetty, Kareena Kapoor, Freida Pinto, Genelia D'Souza, Lara Dutta and Katrina Kaif. Why publicists?
We understand brands and we understand entertainment, and can we do a nice and proper marriage of the two, and therefore allow us to take you to the next level, allow us to look after your image starting with your PR and then overall image, and allow us also to manage what you'll be seen in and what you'll not be seen within.
But doing that is not an easy task, especially with media's fetish for rumors and negative stories. Firefighting is a daily part of a publicist's job, and a crisis is always just around the corner.
Recently, we were traveling somewhere on an RJ was talking about Rakesh Roshan and what a flop actor he was, which is untrue. I mean, he said his flop father is a flop father, flop son. And I said, do your homework. I mean, Hrithik, you cannot call from any angle a flop actor. And even Rakesh Roshan, I mean, he was at his peak. So I said, if they don't do, even if they don't know the background, and they just randomly, it really gets difficult for us.
What makes matters worse is the fact that the paparazzi in India is growing at an exponential pace. From real-world problems to virtual and digital ones, star blogs, scraps and tweets keep publicists on their feet round the clock. The problem here is bigger because of imposters.
There was a time when we had to put out a clarification, or we need to act as a spokesperson for somebody. A controversy breaks out. You had to give out like a press release and send it to the whole world. Today we just tell the star to tweet.
But this is a relatively new trend in India. Publicists of Hollywood celebrities have been dealing with blogging and twittering for a long time. In fact, experts say when it comes to learning celebrity management, Bollywood's publicists have a lot to learn from their Western counterparts. And who better to talk about it than the man who managed Shilpa Shetty's image during her big break, Big Brother.
Maybe maximum is this, but even when you're doing that, you have to bend.
Whether you look at paparazzi or whether you look at anything the West does in terms of media, they make a splash, and India is coming to terms with making a splash with anything and everything to do with a celebrity. Celebrity is kind of known to be making splashes now in India.
Image management is a minuscule part of Bollywood marketing right now. but it's an area that has the potential to grow multifold, pretty much like it is in the US. In Hollywood, a publicist charges anywhere between $4,000 and $15,000 per month per client to service any or all of their media needs. In India, it costs anywhere between 10,000 and 30,000 rupees. But as Bollywood grows, so will its stars and the publicists that create the magic around them.
Image management and bigger marketing spends are the new mantras with which Bollywood is hooking its viewers. But a big chunk of the industry's revenues comes from markets overseas. So what is Bollywood doing to market to a global audience? We find out after this short break. Stay with us.